Imagine the entire world flooded, no land in sight. What would you do? Long ago, this happened. God gave a special warning to a man named Noah, a man of faith who stayed away from sin. God told him that a great flood was coming, and the only way to survive was to build a massive boat. The water rose so high, even mountains disappeared beneath it. Only Noah, his family, and the animals on the boat were safe. And when the flood ended, God made a promise. He'd never flood the earth like that again, marking his promise with a beautiful rainbow. Want to hear more amazing stories like this? This story shows us the power of faith and staying close to God. Hit subscribe and stay tuned.